Respected parents and my dear students, very good afternoon. You all have received a PDF and lots of query are there in your minds. Actually, this is a presentation so that you will come to know that we are going to organize throughout the year. Just now, so we are going to handle this competition online, but later on it will be offline, even in classroom. We are actually starting a quest for your inner self, and we want that every student needs to participate in our this program. Actually, the program is about to make all the students aware regarding the current topics. Being a commerce student, it becomes your responsibility to know the current affairs and highlight on current affairs. We are starting this XPOY1, express your opinion, means you have to express your opinion on the current affairs. Understand, in this competition, all details will be given to you by Anjali ma'am and Hitesh bhai, our coordinator, and Anjali ma'am, our statistic teacher. But I just want to brief you a little about this competition, about how many, about duration of the video, by which date you have to submit, how to, that detail will be given by Anjali Ben and Hitesh bhai. I just want to give you an idea, the briefing, why we are starting such type of online competition, so that at least you will come up. You people are already sending videos to friends, understand, your dancing videos, understand, making mockery, such many videos, but this is one type of educational videos where two topics are delivered to you, one particular topic for 11th standard and one for 12th standard, બે topic, and on each and every topic, understand, you have to get yourself acquainted and a barabar study karo, and you have to prepare a video, understand, of how much duration will be briefed to you. But this is our effort, a genuine effort, so that every student will participate in this, take this competition very seriously and send the videos. Your videos will be graded by our respected judges. Understand? So we are starting this quest. This will continue even when you come to the school. Understand? And for every competition, this is a series. Understand? It will continue like 1, 2, 3 that way, and you will be rewarded for your genuine effort. Okay? More details. Actually, once you receive this video, you should come to know કે તમારે થોડું ગુજરાતીમાં કહી દો, તમારે વિડીયોઝ બનાવવાનો છે, અને એ વિડીયોઝ તમારે, તમને જે સબ્જેક્ટ હમણાં અનલી મેમ આપશે એ સબ્જેક્ટ ઉપર વિડીયો તૈયાર કરવાનો છે, એક ફિક્સ ડ્યુરેશનનો, બહુ શોર્ટ, અને એ તમારે અમને સેન્ડ કરવો છે. કઈ ડેટ સે વિલ બ્રીફ યુ just in a minute. Understand? But each and every student should participate in this. Understand? And because this is a genuine effort to at least bring you on the public forum, so that you will you must be watching so many YouTube videos and you are seeing the people speaking so loudly and clearly. We want you also to just remove that mass fear, understand, stage fear, and come up with your best up-to-date performance, how to deliver the video, how to dress, all things will be, all points will be delivered to you by Anjali ma'am. So I request Anjali ma'am, our state teacher for 11th standard, to just give you brief how to prepare videos. Okay? Thank you very much. Anjali ma'am, please.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. it is believed that knowledge is not a power, but applied knowledge is the power, right? So on that note, we are here to apply your knowledge. We have brought up one competition called Express Your Opinion, right? Now, in the circular, you all have seen there are topics given, right, for 11th and 12th separate. So first I'll explain that what is to be done for 11th standard, right? It is, you have seen that this crisis time is going on, right? Because of the corona, many of the business have, abolished all the way. But ऐसी situation में भी there are many industries who did the growth, right? If you will see the Reliance industry, that Mukesh Ambani was in the list of 1 to 5 most richest person. But even in this crisis time, he reached to 3rd rank, right? Then another example I'll give you, that Zoom application, Google Meet, we didn't even hear the names of such kind of applications, right? But now see the net worth of these kind of industries. And there are lots of such industries who have grown, right? Who did their growth in this pandemic also. So you all need to search out that how and the way they did the growth. Okay, how even from the crisis we can take the opportunity, right? So what factor led them to achieve these kind of opportunities, right? So you need to search on that, and you have to make a video for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure that a video should not be more than 3 minutes. Alright, and in that also, this is for 11th and 12th, both of you to listen, that you need to check the quality of the video. Okay, that you're appearing in the video but you're not visible to it, so that is not going to work. Secondly, you need to dress up yourself very nicely. It should be a corporate look. I would suggest you to wear a blazer if you have. Otherwise, you can wear any of the formal clothes, no t-shirts please. Okay, so dressing yourself is also going to be considered. Okay, then the quality of video should be nicely done. Then make sure that audio is clear or not. So you can use mic or Bluetooth or any other devices for that. Okay, so these are the things you need to be taken in your mind. Secondly, the topic for 12th standard. This topic is something very widely spreaded, that the topic is how the GDP has reduced so much, minus 23.9 is such a less, this is something historical movement in the economy. So what factors led to such reduction, that you need to search out कि ऐसी क्या क्या चीजें हो चुकी है that because of that the reduction is being arrived. And it is not just a situation for our country, but even other countries are also facing such things. So you can find it out. Now remember, topic is one only and you all are more than 50, right? So now your opinions, your words should be something that should make you separate, that should make you noticeable, right? कि topic एक ही है, पर तुम्हारा जो argument होना चाहिए, your opinion should be different so that we can consider your point. Okay, because best 3 will be rewarded, that you all know. So make sure that your opinion, that what you're putting in, that should be very much clear, that should be very unique. Okay, and it should connect to the person. Okay, secondly, you need to dress up well and make sure that your video should only be in English. No other languages are to be applied. Okay, only in English it should be there. Your communication skills will be judged. Your talking skills, your posture, your gesture, how you're presenting, your expressions, your dress, everything will be considered. So make sure that you compromise all these kind of qualities. Okay, the videos should be submitted on or before 30th September without fail on the Telegram number of Hitesh sir, right? You all have his number. Just send to him on Telegram app. You all are using it, I know it, right? So make sure that you send it on or before that date. And in that also, now if you are facing any problems that you are getting confused to express yourself, so you just can call me up or you can call sir and they will guide you up. Okay. Now I'll hand over to Hitesh sir. He will guide you further.
Good afternoon, all dear students. તમને આમનું રિઝલ્ટ નેક્સ્ટ વીકમાં મળશે 30 સપ્ટેમ્બર પછી. ત્યારે તમારે પેરેન્ટ્સે અને તમારી સાથે બંને આવવાનું રહેશે. ત્યાં સુધીમાં અમે જજને તમારા વિડીયોઝ પહોંચાડી દઈશું, બરાબર? અને બધાને ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ, બધા પાર્ટિસિપેટ થજો. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.
Best of luck to everyone.
Okay.